guys, so let's go check out Prelude at the park here in Henderson. This is so close to the one that I just did, the Element 12. So let's go check them out. Okay guys, so that was the Prelude Apartments. So let me just go through the fees and then how much you have to make and then how much the apartments are going for today. Like current pricing. So pet policy is pet screening, 2 pets max per apartment home, one-time pet fee of $400, cats or dogs, monthly pet rent is $40. Lease terms, we offer flexible lease terms to fit your needs, 6 to 14 months lease terms, and then it says for a 1, 2 and 3 bedroom it's going to be a $249 security deposit on approved credit until 8/16/25. For 0 security deposit, ask about Jetty. Leasing details is $60 applicant per adult, $250 holding admin fee, non-refundable. So that takes the apartment off the website and allows the maintenance people to clean the apartment. That's what he says that the $250 admin fee does. Renter's insurance is we require proof of renter's insurance upon move-in and at time of renew. And then parking, you guys, is first come first serve and it's completely free, whether it's uncovered or covered parking. And then utilities is all utilities are the responsibility of the residents. Water, sewer, and trash billed with rent monthly. And NV Energy and Gas Southwest is going to be your responsibility. Okay, so right now a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 715 square feet is going between $13.59 to $18.41. And then a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 973 square feet, that is going for $14.05 to $20.04. And then a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1197 square feet is going for $18.23 to $29.41 at the moment. Now that is current pricing. Obviously they can change within days, within weeks, but yes, that is the pricing today. So if you are watching this in a month, definitely just look at their website for current pricing. Now, this is something that I thought was pretty cool because I haven't seen this in any apartment that I've done. He says that the income requirements are 2.5, but he said we can also do 2 times the rent. It would just be a higher deposit. So that's not bad. I have not seen a 2 times rent in a minute. Okay, everything is either 2.5, 2.75, or 3 times the rent. It's pretty cool that he said that it can be 2 times the income, you know, but it'll just be a higher deposit, which is not bad. Also to you guys, with most apartments, the only reason that they will deny you if you do have a open eviction report, like if it's still open and pending, that will be immediate denied. But let's say that you do, you know, you square that off, you close that account and everything, they will just ask to provide a little bit more information. But yeah, if let's say you do have bad credit, it's just going to be a higher deposit, like me and Richard. So with us fixing our credit, you know, it's taken a minute, but we've always had to put just a higher deposit since we don't have the best credit. But again, they're not going to deny you if you have bad credit. They will work with you. So I will leave some information down below, that way you can contact them if you do have any questions that I can't answer, but I hope that this answered it. Alright guys, but let's see how far everything is out from these apartments. Walmart is going to be 5 minutes away. Target is going to be 7 minutes away. Costco is going to be 15 minutes away. Sam's Club is going to be 20 minutes away or 19 minutes away. So it just depends on which one you want to go to. Albertson is going to be 5 minutes away. Trader Joe is going to be 21 minutes away or 21 minutes away. So same distance, again, up to you which one you want to go to. Smith's is going to be 5 minutes away. Sprouts is going to be 7 minutes away. Winco is going to be 13 minutes away. Whole Foods is going to be 15 minutes away. Petco is going to be 14 minutes away. PetSmart is going to be 6 minutes away. IKEA is going to be 27 minutes away. The Strip is going to be 25 minutes away. Fremont Street is going to be 25 minutes away. The airport is going to be 21 minutes away. Alright guys, so you do have a few bus stops close by. You do have one that is a 22-minute walk, or an 18-minute walk, or a 13-minute walk. So you do have a few close by to these apartments. Alright guys, so with urgent cares, you do have a close one that is going to be 4 minutes away, or you do have another one that is a 6-minute one, or a 4-minute one. So you do have a few close by to these apartments. Okay guys, so that was Prelude at the Park Apartments. I hope you liked this video, you guys. If you do, give it a good thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then turn on that post notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. I really do like the area, you guys. It is 5 minutes from the apartment that I just did, which is the Element 12. Now, again, this one is a more older apartment than the one that we just saw, than the Element at 12. Obviously, that's a newer construction. This is a more older apartments, but they have renovated the inside of the apartments. Now, it is gated, but it looks like they keep the gates open during the day, but I'm pretty sure they close it. They don't have any elevators. It is a 2-story floor and they only have stairs, but it looks like it's more of an affordable apartment. And the only reason I'm saying that is because they can do 2 times the income requirements. So I thought that was pretty good. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video, and I'm melting at the moment because I've turned the aircon off, so I'll see you then. Bye guys.